My name is Dennis O'Brien, and I am from Ellisville, Missouri. I needed a left hip total replacement. I got that done September 25th at St. Luke's, of course. Dr. Shafley, a West County orthopedic and sports medicine. My first experiences after I got out of the hospital, they called and wanted to know if they could come out. And I did have some doubts, because you get instructions from the hospital when you leave. You get instructions from your doctor when you get ready to come home. And I thought I really didn't need that. But I found out, of course, that I did. The benefits, first of all, to me, the most important was that they were genuinely caring. And they really, really helped me relax when they came out. The two nurses that came out to visit the very first time, Peggy and Kim, were exactly what I've described: compassionate, caring, professional. At the instant they came in, you felt relaxed. And to me, that's so awfully important when you're home trying to recuperate from a big operation. They knew what they were doing. They let you know what they were doing. They told you what to expect, and they follow through. You think you have answers, you think you know what to do when you get home, but you realize you don't. And when they come out, they take care of all the concerns, all the questions with compassion. And when the first time they left, my wife and I looked at each other and went, wow, that's the experience we had. Take advantage of the service. Because again, I thought maybe it was something that I really didn't need, but I found out different. Take advantage, learn. If you have questions, they'll answer them, and they care.